Jack is so hardcore.
Come on.
Jack, gross.
My feet are numb.
Don't be in the wet pavement then.
Jack, come on. Come on, Mina. Go get Jack. Go get him. Go play in the sandbox.
One. Yeah.
My feet are numb. It's so cold. Oh my god. Did you do that to all the sand? That's funny. Oh god, I have to go in. Don't you dare run around and roll in the dirt.
Jack is so agile. Jack's like the Reggie Bush of dogs.
I don't know what that means.
He's the wide receiver for the Saints.
Whatever, he's Legolas. Ew. Oh my god.